In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Calendly to your GoDaddy website so visitors can easily book appointments with you online. Let's get started. First, log into your Calendly account and go to your event types. Choose the event you want to share on your website. Then click the option that says Add to Website. Calendly will give you different ways to embed it, like an inline embed that sits directly on the page or a pop-up that appears when someone clicks a button. Choose the one that best suits your site. Once you've selected your style, you can customize things like colors and text so it matches your website. When you're happy with the preview, copy the embed code that Calendly provides. Now open a new tab and log into your GoDaddy account. Go to Websites and Marketing, open your site and click Edit Website. Head to the page where you want your booking form to appear, like your contact page or services page. Add a new section and choose the option for Custom Code or Embed HTML. Paste the Calendly code you copied earlier into that box. You'll now see your booking widget appear on the page. Adjust the placement so it fits neatly into your layout. Once everything looks good, save your changes and preview the page to make sure the scheduler works correctly. If you're happy with it, click Publish so it goes live on your site. And that's it. Calendly is now fully integrated with your GoDaddy website, making it easier than ever for people to book time with you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple web tutorials.